Hey everyone, this is Ulysses with A&J Heating and Air Conditioning. We're just finishing up a job out here in Wheaton, Illinois that we installed a few months back. This is a Honeywell 3000 programmable thermostat. This is a airflow 95% furnace with a 13 SEER ADP coil paired up with a Trane condensing unit. Here is a glimpse of the sheet metal work, also a sheet metal rack to hold all the literature. Goes all into the attic. Everything into the attic upstairs is insulated. Here is our pipe work, nice straight. Also, we have installed a Bradford White power vented water heater. This is a 0.70 efficiency power vented heater. This qualifies for the NICOR rebate, as well as the furnace qualifies for the NICOR rebate because it is a 95% efficiency furnace. If you are interested in saving money on your utility bills and also getting rebates from your utility company, give us a call. We would love to come out and help you at 708-830-4764.